Pwede ba mag-brown rice half cup every day? Ito, question for you. Ano yung rason bakit naglo-low carb ka? Bakit gusto mo ng rice? Kung ikaw ay meron pa ring disease na gusto mong baguhin, like for example, diabetes mo hindi pa rin well controlled, then it is possible. So pwedeng approach ito Kasi pwede namang dahan-dahanin. Some people can't live talaga na completely cut out yung rice. So in that case, what do you do? Just be aware na kung completely out of control yung iyong sakit, o kaya naman kung ang rason kung bakit naglo-low carb ka ay dahil gusto mo magpapayat, then just be aware that yung half cup ng rice na yun, kapatid, will still have around mga siguro 6 teaspoons yan. Kasi yung 3/4, 3/4 cup of rice will already have 10 teaspoons of sugar. Tingnan ninyo, brown rice, so 150 grams, which is around 3/4, will have around 7 teaspoons. Yung white rice, mas malala. That'll have around 10 teaspoons ng asukal. So, kahit na maliit na amount ng rice, ay marami pa rin asukal. So, kung kayo ay wala pa sa ideal weight, kayo ay hindi pa rin magaling sa sakit, if that's the reason why kayo naglo-low carb, then just be aware that kung you will have rice, that's fine kung yun talaga lang ang kaya nyo, but it'll take you longer to reach your goal. Ano pa man yun. Yung goal ninyo ay magpapayat or yung goal ninyo ay magpagaling ng sakit, it'll take you longer. Kung gusto nyo talaga ma-reverse agad, then you can stay clean talaga. Ano when I say clean, sa mga wala pang food guide, paki-download lamang po. If you focus on the go section lamang, mas mapapabilis. So go section is the green part, parang traffic light po, no? So focus on the green part, and then that will help you to reach your goals faster, right? So yun lamang yun. Some people really can't go na agad-agad na walang rice. That's fine. You know, yun ang kaya ng katawan, yun ang kaya. Just be aware of that. Be aware na merong longer period ang kailangan bago maabot yung goal. Kung kayo naman ay nasa ideal na. So kasi iba-ibang phases yan, mga kapatid, right? Some of you have been doing low carb for 2 years. Some of you are really new to this lifestyle, 2 weeks. Some of you are like me, more than a decade talaga na relatively low carb, right? So depende sa stage. Kung ang estado ng inyong ng kalusugan ninyo ay okay na, nagbe-maintain na lang kayo, why not? Shouldn't be a problem, right? Na kayo mag-rise, may metabolic flexibility na kayo. Pero kung, yun na nga po, kaya wala pa kayo sa mga ideal, then pag-isipan po natin, ano yung implication nung hindi natin pag-give up ng mga high net carb na pagkain katulad ng rice, okay?